Shocking as it may sound, police have busted a fake certificate racket in Delhi University. The shocker is that the students, toppers at that, with more than 90% marks, actually paid lakhs of rupees for forged caste certificate after being unable to get admission to the top colleges following the extremely high cutoffs.
Just as high cutoffs are making top colleges out of reach of students,
they stumbled upon this case after one Himanshu Gupta, who was trying to help a girl who had secured 91%. He was trying to get her admitted to the Hansraj College of the Delhi University. Now, according to police, they have arrested 3 people and 12 students as of now are under scanners.
This man, the brains behind the scam, setting up a fake educational consultancy firm, a front company to run a fake certificate racket. His accomplice Vikas routing the paperwork through an associate in the Mehrauli government office. Ketan Gupta, who forged the certificates and hacked into the Delhi University website. Shockingly, the students who got admission through these scamsters were scholars with 90% marks.
Some of the students have got very high marks. One of the girl students has got 94%. She was seeking admission in Sri Ram College of Commerce. The girl student that was seeking admission in Hansraj College, she has 91%. And all of them have around 80+ percentages, most of them.
The college is blaming the high cutoffs for the students' desperation.
Since the admissions in Delhi University has become so difficult, and there is so much of a gap between the general admissions and the reserve category admissions, so people are resorting to this sort of mechanism here. And see, there is no dearth of money. People are having so much of money, so they don't mind, getting fake certificates and paying to all those, dalals.
But those students who have failed to make the cut have lashed out at toppers, calling on colleges to act against those students.
I got into KMC through the 5th waiting list and I topped my school, so I was cribbing about it and crying, and then people get in through fake OBC voter, and like now that somebody has been caught, but it happens.
Do you really think that it's justifiable to use such kind of unfair means in order to get admissions into colleges? Because people are working hard, that's why they have scored the marks, and that's why they met the cutoff. So if you actually use these kind of means, you're actually cutting out people who actually have scored marks.
It's a scam that has the entire university shocked. 12 students using fake certificates to get into top colleges, misusing a quota meant for the lesser privileged. With Jagori Dhar in New Delhi, Tanvi Lal for Times Now.